Okay guys, for this video I would like to share how to use timer relay. I have two types of relay here. One is timer with the timing. Another one is just a normal relay. And here this is A pin as well, and this also A pin as well. So the diagram, everything is the same. And here is I have 12 volt, and this relay also 12 volt. So everything is the same, just this is you can use you can adjust with the time, you can use as the delay. So this is a very convenient. So the important things is just like the normal relay, we have to see the voltage, so the coil voltage. So this also we have to see the coil voltage. This is very important. The relay coil is important when we are using the relay, which means if your relay is written 12 volt DC, we must supply the 12 volt DC to active this relay to turn on and off. And for the timer relay, I put aside this normal relay here. For the timer relay, this is written SEC, which means for second, and here the maximum reach is 60 seconds. So between the 60 seconds, you can adjust with analog. So if you adjust the needle point to 60, which means when you active the relay, you will wait until 60 seconds, then only this relay will be turned on. So you can set to 40 seconds, you can set to 30 seconds, you can set to 20 seconds, you can set to 10 seconds. So this is up to you, you can adjust. So the diagram is here. Most of the timer relay or the relay, they will have the diagram on the body side. So here pin number 13 is the coil voltage, which means 12 volt negative, 14 is 12 volt positive, and this is we call a double pole, double throw. So you can control two lights, which means one side, this side for one light, the other side for another light. So this is you can control for two lights, but for this video we're going to just control only one light, so we're going to use only one side. So pin number 9 and pin number 12 is common, the same, and pin number 5 and pin number 8 is normally open, pin number 1 and 4 is normally closed. So this is a very simple drawing I have here. So I need to have two power supply, which means one for the coil to active. So this is to active the coil, we must give 12 volt because of the relay is 12 volt. So 12 volt positive coming to pin number 14, and negative come to pin number 13 to active this relay. And this is the low side. So I'm going to control just only one light, and we're going to use for normally open. So the live, this is 240 volt. So the live wire coming to common, just one side pin, common, pin number 9, and out from normally open, pin number 5, and connect to the light here, and the neutral directly connect to the other light here. The switch pin. So the switch 12 positive come to one side switch pin, then the other side switch pin go back, and we're going to connect to pin number 14, and this negative directly connect to pin number 13 here. Oh, 12 volt side is complete. I will remove this, a little bit messy. And this is the 240 volt AC light bulb, and 240 volt live cable coming to pin number 9 here, and all back from pin number 5 and connect to the light bulb. So now we're going to put relay. So this relay I already adjust to 10 seconds. So the wiring is done. After this, what we're going to do is just turn on the power supply. So 240 volt AC, I turn on. Then 12 volt DC, I turn on. Okay, so now the wiring is, the power is already on. So now we turn on the switch. Then wait for 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds will be turned on. Okay. If you off band, then the relay will off. Every time if you turn on the switch, then this will be delayed for 10 seconds. Okay, so if you adjust, you turn off. We turn off. If we put to around maybe 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Then I turn on the switch. So this is how it works. So be careful now. I already supplied 240 volt AC here, so I will turn off the main switch first. Then I will remove this relay. If I'm using the normal relay, then I turn on the power. So I'm using the normal relay, which is there is no the timing for this normal relay. So the moment I turn on the switch, then the light will be turned on. On, off. So for normal relay, there is no timing, so just on and off. I turn off the power and I'll remove. For the timer relay, I turn on the power. So make sure don't touch on this power point because this is 240 volt. So I already turn on, and I will turn on the switch. So wait for 10 seconds. So this is how the difference between timer relay and normal relay. So I hope you understand this video, and thank you for watching.